Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Our topic is international organizations and it is the sixth chapter of the class 12th NCRT book. In the previous video we discussed about the United Nations General Assembly and the United Nations of Security Council. Today we will deal with its third organ, which is known as International Court of Justice. The International Court of Justice is the judicial organ of the UNO. It consists of 15 judges who are elected by the General Assembly as well as by the Security Council. And these judges are being elected for a term of 9 years, and 5 judges out of the 15, it is having the 15 judges. Out of 15 judges, 5 judges get retired after every 3 years. Its a permanent headquarters is at Hague. It can meet anywhere else when it is desired. The court elects its president and the vice president for a term of 3 years. Likewise, its decisions are made by the majority of the judges. The majority of the judges decide whenever any decision gets tied, thereby the president has the casting vote. And all its decisions are binding on the parties to dispute, but not for the other parties. However, its functions and powers can be summed as it can decide the disputes among the warring states or among the different states. Likewise, it hears and decides the disputes on the basis of international law, UN Charter, international treaties, customs and traditions. Likewise, it has the General Assembly can ask questions, or General Assembly can, the advice of the General Assembly can be sought whenever the need arises. The another organ, the fourth organ of the international organization UNO is its secretariat. Its secretariat is the administrative organ and its headquarters of the UNO. It comprises of the Secretary General, who is elected by the General Assembly on the recommendations of the Security Council. Same, the Secretary General is the Chief Administrative Officer of the UNO, and the Secretariat is located at the UNO offices in New York, in USA, and its branches are in Vienna, Geneva, and Nairobi, Tanzania. However, its functions can be summed as the functions of this secretariat is it calls the meetings of the other organs of the UNO whenever need arises. Same or likewise, it enforces the decisions taken by the United General Assembly, taken by the United Nations Security Council, or any other organ of the UNO. It maintains the records of the proceedings of all the organs of the UNO. Also, it prepares the annual report of each organ and presents it before the United Nations General Assembly. It runs the working of the UNO smoothly and efficiently. So this is the most important organ of the United Nations organization. The fifth organ of the United Nations organization is Economic and Social Council. The UN not only prevents the wars, but also looks after for the maintenance of the peace and security in the world. It also looks after for economic, social, educational welfare of the states. For this, it has created its another organ, what we call as Economic and Social Council. This council was created and it is having 54 members, and its members are elected by the General Assembly regularly, and it's for a period of 3 years, and its 18 members get retired every year. The council regulates and coordinates the economic, the social, the cultural, and the educational and the health activities of the UNO. However, its main functions can be are as it initiates the studies and reports with respect of the international economic and social, educational and the cultural activities. Number second, it prepares the drafts conventions for the submission to the United Nations General Assembly, and which with the matters which are within its jurisdiction. Likewise, it makes the recommendations for promoting for the respect of the human rights and the fundamental freedoms of the people of the globe. Likewise, this calls for the international conferences on the matters under its jurisdiction. It helps the nations. It helps the nations in their development plan. Likewise, it takes the appropriate steps to obtain the regular reports from the special agencies of the UNO in order to look after the social, economic, educational, and the health activities of the people of different states. The another organ of this UNO is known as the Trusteeship Council. The Trusteeship Council was created for the self-government or for the independence of the trust territories of the UN. It consists of the it consists of the it consists of the permanent members of the Security Council as well as plus those nations which were administered which administer the trust territories. Since all 11 these trust territories has attained their independence, now the work of this council has been suspended. However, however, its main functions include that the trust territories are administered and get representative or get respective governments, representative governments according to the wishes of the people of these trust territories. Likewise, it considers the reports submitted by the administrative authorities on regular basis. This trusteeship council it examines the petitions and visits the trust territories whenever required. Likewise, it makes efforts for the promotion of moral, social, and educational advancement of its territories. So this is all about the organs of the UNO with regard to the international organization. Thank you. Have a nice day.